M.Danial bin Muhammad Subarjo. My number matrix is 01DPU19F1063. The number code is subject DGU Pi1042, air conditioning and refrigerant control system. Example is picture. Introduction. A refrigerator timer, also known as a defrost timer, is the device used to control the amount of gas in the refrigerator. It is periodically turned on with the frost in the refrigerator so that frost does not form. Most modern refrigerators use a refrigerator timer to maintain its frost level quite stable. If the refrigerator starts to collect frost, it will not be cracked or too cool. This called be sign the timer is faulty and need to be replaced. Method defrost timer. This device can be located in a number of different locations inside the fridge, including behind the control panel or grill in the freezer. It is a crude clock with switch back and front between a defrost mode and a regular cooling mode. When the refrigerator timer turns into defrost mode, the cooling function of the refrigerator and turn off, and the defroster is active to meet frost which has built up in the freezer. When the timer returns to cool mode, the refrigerator is low to cool again and the defroster is turned off. The overall internal temperature of the fridge is kept in a safe range. Function defrost timer. A defrost timer is used to turn off the refrigerator, compressor and evaporator fan motor. They turn on the defrost system at regular intervals to remove the evaporator from defrosting. Over time, timer motor bearing or reduction gear and electromechanical timer can wear out. Types of defrost timer. There are two types of defrost timer used in modern refrigerator: continuous or continuous run timer and accumulate timers. The continuous and continuous run defrost timer run continuously as long as the refrigerator is installed. The accumulate defrost timer runs only when the compressor is running. The accumulator defrost timer is also known as demand defrost. Manual operation. All defrost timers have a slot where a screwdriver and can be inserted to operate the timer manually. By turning the screwdriver clockwise, you will be able to open and close the internal contacts manual. When you hear the first click, the compressor will close and the defrost heater will turn on. On the second click, the defrost heater element will turn off and the compressor start running again. Defrost timer troubleshooting tips. If the timer stops in run cycle, the refrigerator fails to automatically defrost. Frost build up occurs on the evaporator and airflow is restricted. If the timer stops during the first segment of the cycle, frozen food will be in danger of thawing out and refrigerator component will cease to operate. Tips 1. The display backlight will turn on when the adjust knob is turned. It will remain on for 10 seconds following the last activity. Second, the control as detect a catastrophic or programming failure. Verify the proper voltage is applied to the correct terminal. Thank you.